YouTube. Same day, same clothes, same grind, same shine. You hear me? Nah, y'all don't hear me. Maybe y'all need some help from my friend. Woo! 1976 Cadillac. Now don't quote me on the model. I don't know what model. It's so old school. It's older than me. It's older than a lot of my subscribers. It's older than all of us. 2 batteries. 2 batteries. You know we got the music. Wired up the sound. Let's go ahead and close it, man. Go ahead, give me a close. Give me a close. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm talking about this thing is airbagged out, y'all. Oh my God, with the sweet black wheels. Airbagged out. Wait till I show y'all the back. Hold on. We gotta let him warm up. Got a good idle. There you go. Woo! Fresh paint. And I'm talking about, y'all, it's not even washed down or nothing. Still ashy. I said airbagged out, didn't I? What Paul Wall say? I'm crawling similar to an ant cause I'm low to the earth. People's feelings get hurt. Yeah. We going Texas swag on this one. Hold on, y'all see the detail, man. Y'all see the detail. Get up on that logo. It is a Coupe-DeVille. All right. My mans, he came up here and got with my boy B. He do tattoos, so y'all look out for this in front of the local Arizona tattoo shop, man. Cause that's where we coming. This how Arizona coming all summer, y'all. Told y'all I'm bringing y'all some cars, old school to new school. Oh yeah. I don't even know what size those wheels are. Probably some 18s. Can't be no bigger than 20s. Let's take y'all on the inside. We got a good tint job. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm feeling that. Peanut butter and strawberry. Peanut butter and strawberry. Look at the old school wheel. Come on, y'all. 76. Woo! Them seats. Old Cadillac logo. Nice kick panels. Carpet still decent. Shampoo it up real good. Door jams is clean. Somebody finally got a radio? We got a radio. We finally got some music. Antique. Very antique. Alright now. Give y'all what y'all came for. Let's see them switches. Yeah. Yes, sir. Y'all see the details, man. Back seat looking good. Nice and comfortable, spacious. With the bench seat. Oh yeah, I'm loving this, y'all. Tell me what y'all think, man. Headliner still leather. Tell me what y'all think, man. Tell me what y'all think, man. One more time on the bags, please. One more time on the bags. Loving it, y'all. I'm a Cadillac man myself. I don't know if I go 76 or 80s model for for a Cadillac, but I'm a Cadillac man myself. And man, I'm loving it. I know that motor about 300 horses. Nice little basic motor, nothing too fancy, too fly. Y'all get a good look at it, y'all. Like I said before, y'all, that's it. 1976 Cadillac. See what my man gonna do. See what my man gonna do. Uh-oh. Woo! Yes, sir. Give him a little outside switch action. I couldn't give it to him while I was in there. Like the front. Okay. Oh, hold on. What? There it is, y'all. There it is. It's all there. We out here in Glendale, Arizona. 75 North 75th Avenue. Is where they all located, man. Y'all can holler at my boy B. He right here in the first shop. Or y'all can holler at my boy Quang. He over there in the other shop, man. It's your boy Tune on 24s, man. I'm out with another video.